To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Razor RS1, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area, and ensure it is in park. Next, move to the left rear fender and disengage the two rubber straps, and release the quarter-turn latch. Then, disengage the retention tabs and pivot the panel out to remove. Next, remove the engine access panel fastener. Then, slide the panel back to disengage its retention tabs and remove from the vehicle. Before continuing, clean the area around the spark plug boots using a clean, dry cloth. Then, carefully lift up to remove the spark plug boots. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent debris from falling into the cylinders. Next, carefully loosen the spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. If reusing, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine. And torque to specification. Do not apply anti-seize to the threads. Then, apply dielectric grease to the spark plug boots. Continue by reinstalling the boots and pressing down to ensure they are fully seated. Spark plug wires are not interchangeable and are different lengths. Next, reinstall the engine access panel, ensuring the retention tabs in front are properly engaged, and align the mounting hole. Then, reinstall the panel fastener and torque the fastener to specification. The rear panel features 3 retention areas, one on the rear of the panel, another in the middle on the heat shield, and 2 additional tabs that engage with the lower rocker panel. Engage the rear retention tab first and pivot the panel in to secure the remaining tabs. Then, latch the 2 straps and secure the quarter-turn latch. Finally, start the engine to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.